So I'm in a nice area that's, my old high school parking lot. Figured I can actually get some good audio here because I'm away from everyone. Do a brief walk around. Doing some body work right now. Just some dents that I've pulled out, or oops, got another one. Hammered out, and just doing some Bondo work on. Oop, might left my lights on. It's gonna kill the battery. And I still have, the interiors to do. Seats are in good condition, though. And oh yeah, there are seatbelts in the back. Good to know. And okay, so I'll go ahead and start this up and get some audio of the engine going. Also, in a term of irony, someone in a Kia hit my door right as they were trying to turn. I'm not upset. Kid was on his way to work, and as you can see, it's a part that I'm actually repairing anyway. So an extra half hour of work. All right, so here we go. Oops, let me get my keys out. Hopefully you can hear it in here. Like before, it's always muffled the sound back here when I try to record, so hopefully it actually sounds right, because I love the way the exhaust sounds. Anyway, figured I'd give an update, because it's been a while since I've done a full video update. Also, still got to reassemble the door, and I need to get the glass for this piece too. Idle tuning too. There we go, a little bit better.